The DrillSTI-West Negros University National Service Training Program envisions to build up valuable and effective members of the National Reserve Corps who may serve as agents towards the promotion of quality of life, sustained peace, unity, cooperation, and growth of target communities. The DrillSTI-West Negros University National Service Training Program is a dynamic service-oriented sector composed of qualified implementers which provides capability enhancement for civic welfare geared towards encouraging the youth in improving their skills, knowledge, and attitudes on various endeavor. Furthermore, it also aims to develop the youth interest in community service, making them more responsive in attaining peace towards nation building. Ladies and gentlemen, saluting before you is the Cadet Corps of DrillSTI-West Negros University ROTC Unit, headed by Platoon Leader, Cadet Colonel Christian Dominic Jimenez.
Police. Cadet Colonel Christian Jimenez, namumuno ng pulutong ng DrillSTI-West Negros University Fancy Driller. Ako ang ating pulutong ay handa na po sa pagpapalabas. Please.
Cadets are now executing the parallel lines formation. This symbolizes parallelism within the organization. The officers have the same goal. They are headed towards one direction with the aim of achieving the university's mission and vision. DrillSTI-West Negros University's vision is a higher educational institution of excellence that provides equal learning opportunities for all. DrillSTI-West Negros University's mission is to provide excellent education that is Christian in orientation, Filipino in character, and global in perspective. The unit is now in HI formation that stands for humility and integrity. These acts are the mortal fortress of the cadets. Ladies and gentlemen, the cadets are now waving their hands, showing their deep feeling of affection and greetings to all of you. STI stands for the three leadership traits that an STI or cadet officer possess. Servant leadership emphasizes the leader's commitment to serving and supporting others. It involves a focus on the needs and growth of individuals and the broader community rather than purely seeking personal power or advancement. Servant leaders prioritize the well-being of their team members, providing guidance, support, and resources to help them succeed. Transparency. A leader who values transparency fosters an environment of trust where information, decisions, and processes are shared openly and clearly. They are accountable and ensure that information is readily available to the team, allowing for greater understanding and participation. Initiative refers to the ability to take action and make things happen without needing to be prompted or directed by others. A leader who demonstrates initiative is proactive, self-motivated, and displays a willingness to step forward and take responsibility. The unit is now executing the cross formation. STI-West Negros University subscribes to the tenet that the best education is that which best prepares the youth to be good members of society, and that the nurture of the person is a calling and a noble trust. Westnicans are therefore taught to believe that faith in God gives purpose, meaning, and fulfillment in human life, that human life, welfare, and freedom are sacred manifestations of divine providence and must therefore be so valued and treasured. The unit is now executing the diamond formation. The diamond is often used as a symbol to represent elegance, perfection, and durability. It is a highly valued gemstone known for its brilliance and strength. The diamond's flawless and precise cuts symbolize the importance of sharpness and precision in the drill routine. It signifies the need for the team members to execute their movements with accuracy and attention to detail, resulting in a polished and refined performance. Diamonds are one of the hardest substances known to us. In a fancy drill, the diamond represents strength, resilience, and toughness. The cadets are now forming the sun formation. The sun is often used as a symbol to represent brightness, power, and energy. It symbolizes the source of light and life, which brings warmth and vitality to the drill routine. Just as the sun rises and sets with perfect accuracy every day, it represents the importance of precision and strict discipline in executing the drill movements. The squad is expected to move with sharpness, unity, and flawless execution, just like the sun's movement across the sky. The sun's immense power and energy symbolize the strength of the team, and the drill routine requires physical strength, endurance, and mental toughness. The cadets are now executing the circle formation. Without beginning or end, without sides or corners, this represents unity, wholeness, and infinity. As an organization, these significant things bring out the best of an individual. The cadets are now executing the planting rise. This is a manifestation of trust among officers. Whether they are on the field or not, whatever situation life may bring, they are ready to face it. They fight together, fail, and succeed together. Cadets are now executing the throwing formation. This symbolizes the significance of a senior to the life of a junior. As seniors pass on their knowledge, they also turn over the legacy of being an ROTC officer. This means that learning never stops. It shall be passed on from generation to generation. A senior, once an aspirant, now serves as a potter, molding another aspirant. cadets are now executing the heart formation that signifies love. The love of being an ROTC officer and would-be member of the National Reserve Corps. No of gold nor any other wealth can repay the love and sacrifice. They have been selfless all throughout their journey. For the opposite would only ruin the foundation that they've built for decades. Being an ROTC officer requires the attitude and the heart. Without these two, the essence and worth of being a conqueror shall only be futility. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together as we welcome the DrillSTI-West Negros University ROTC cadets to the beat of the music. Now, the unit is executing the GB formation. Goodbye and see you all next year as we enjoy the festivities of the beautiful city of Bago. We express our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who have come to witness this celebration. Despite the challenges, we stood firm. We hold on to what we believe is right, and in spite of the numerous struggles, we go back to the very reason of our existence, to be conquerors. With the various renovations taking place in the campus under the leadership of its new president, Mr. Peter K. Fernandez, the community's awareness of the school's existence along its vision and mission of providing excellent Christian education has again made noise. Ever conscious of its motto of truth and virtue, West Negros University will never cease to serve. It has gone a long way, and by the grace of the divine providence, we will continue.